3, 2, 1.
Tomorrow we'll get up and drive, and then we're going to stay. So we're going to kind of cut through here and then cut through as well, going to Karijini National Park. And there's a little town called Tom Price. So we're going to stay there tomorrow night on New Year's Eve. And then there is actually a company that has places to stay in the national park itself. And so we're going to stay near Hammersley Gorge, which is just a gorgeous hike as well. And we're actually going to stay there for 3 nights. So and probably do some more hiking and other driving around the park.
Home sweet home. We have made it to the Karijini National Park, and I'm so excited to show you our home. Welcome to the bathroom, where you have a few extra friends. How do you feel about our tent?
Feel pretty good. It was just hot. The bed was incredibly comfortable. In fact, probably the most comfortable bed we slept on in the last 8 or 9 days. But it probably didn't get below, I don't know, 85 degrees Fahrenheit last night. So that was a little unfortunate.
That's all we got.
The fan helped.
But their bed's cool. All right, we are at the start of Hammersley Gorge, and we are ready to go on this hike and hopefully take a quick swim and a dip inside the gorge. We don't really know what to expect, but here's some more information. We're here. We have to go like this.
Yeah, I think we're going on the yellow.